The rise of automation and artificial intelligence (AI) has left many freelancers wondering, will robots eventually replace us? It's a fair question, especially as technology continues to reshape industries at lightning speed. But here's the truth. Automation isn't here to take away freelancing. It's here to transform it. Rather than replacing freelancers, AI and automation are becoming their most powerful allies. Tools that can multiply productivity, improve quality, and allow freelancers to focus on what truly matters: creativity, strategy, and human connection. Let's face it, automation has already changed the game. Copywriters use AI tools to brainstorm headlines, create outlines, and even draft initial content. Graphic designers rely on AI-driven platforms to generate templates or automate resizing tasks that once took hours. Web developers now have machine learning algorithms that help debug code faster than ever before. Instead of viewing these tools as threats, successful freelancers are treating them as partners, assistants that handle the repetitive or mechanical parts of work, freeing up more time for innovation and big-picture thinking. For example, a freelance marketer can use AI to analyze customer data and predict trends, then apply that insight to design a powerful, emotion-driven campaign. A freelance writer can use AI to research keywords and optimize SEO, while still crafting stories that connect with readers on a human level. A freelance designer can use automation to handle background tasks like resizing images, while dedicating their energy to creating visuals that tell compelling brand stories. The winning formula lies in combining human creativity with machine efficiency. Automation does the heavy lifting, and the freelancer adds the magic touch. But what does this really mean for the future of freelancing? It means that adaptability will be the most valuable skill of all. Technology is evolving, and so should freelancers. Those who continuously learn, experiment, and stay updated with digital tools will remain ahead of the curve. Think of AI as your collaborator, not your competitor. While AI can process data, generate content, and follow instructions, it still lacks the emotional intelligence, intuition, and cultural understanding that make human freelancers irreplaceable. Clients don't just hire freelancers for output, they hire them for insight, understanding, and originality. By 2030, the most successful freelancers will be those who master hybrid skills, a blend of technical expertise and human creativity. Skills like AI-assisted content creation, data interpretation, digital storytelling, UX design, and marketing automation will be in massive demand. Businesses will seek freelancers who can understand how to use AI tools strategically rather than fear them. This doesn't mean every freelancer needs to be a tech genius. It simply means understanding how to use the tools that make your work smarter, faster, and more impactful. Let's also not forget that automation is not new. Every major technological shift, from the Industrial Revolution to the internet, boom, brought fears of job loss. Yet, each time new industries emerged and new kinds of work were born, the same will happen with AI. New freelancing roles are already emerging, like AI trainers, prompt engineers, automation consultants, and data-driven content strategists. These didn't exist 5 years ago, but today, they're some of the most in-demand skills on freelancing platforms. The smartest freelancers are already preparing for this.